Hey there, how are you?
It's my fiancé. Bless. Mano po. Mano po.
I'm my fiance. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I got a gift for you.
Dollar na!
American, yeah.
Okay, bagong datay. Kailan kayo pakakasal?
On October 30, sa katapusan ng buwan. Apo, dat kayo magbibis uli ng maganda.
Oo. Thank you. Ay, you stay in my house. You stay in my house.
Yeah. Nice.
Hindi ka porto. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Nanay, ano sasabihin nyo kay Eric?
Thank you.
At anong bilin nyo kay Eric para kay Glay?
I love you.
No, I'll take it going.
Love that.
Love that girl. Yeah, I'll take it with me and I love it so much. So.
And what, Glay?
Galing ka sa Amerika?
Daling na sa Amerika si Glay.
Yeah. Rita pa pala yung pag-saukay. Ilang magagawa at swerte.
Nanay, ang ganda mo daw. Ang ganda mo daw. Tabi.
Nanay?
Nanay? Su. Me.
Nanay sumpungin. Ay, paano sa akin yun? Ayaw, nag-lock ko sa mga.
Nanay maganda?
Very good. Very good. You're in it, ha? You're in it, man. Yeah, I love the English.
What?
Not the English.
But they are very cute. Oh, yeah? Yeah?
Yes, the Carol Lagera. Always.
Yeah.
Always.
I'll always love her. Yeah, I'll always take care of her. Always.
Love nyo na rin.
Love na rin.
Love na rin. Wow!
Love na rin itaw. You love him. You love him.
Yes, I do.
Bye na. Sama ikaw. Sama ikaw.
Hindi na. Kakawin na ako.